Oh, good job. He's shoveling snow already. First time.
See,
He
we
knows
put him
what to
out
do
there
already. See
without
that?
shoes,
He
and we
already
make
knows
him
what to
shovel.
Oh,
Where are your shoes?
there was a puppy. Pup go.
Pop's inside where it's warm. Aren't you cold? No.
A fire.
Yes, a fire. That's right.
Oh, cat here. Cat coming.
What do you think of the snow?
I got some is.
You can eat it.
So warrior.
What do you think? Do you like the snow? No, let's not dump that. That has very cold water.
Pickled water.
Yes.
Pickled water.
All right, we should go back inside, kiddo. Mommy doesn't want you to get sick. Mommy already has sniffles.
Dad.
That's the toilet seat.
So yes.
Yep. All right, let's go inside, bud.
Um.
We'll play outside another day when you're appropriately dressed. Okay, can you put the shovel away, please?
No. Eating so. So. Hey, nice so.
Riley. Who made the snow?
But
You're right.
I hear cat coming. Oh, Winnie. See, that's so girly. Oh.
You hear the wind?
I did.
All right, let's go inside. You're getting cold. Can you put the shovel away, please?
It's
Riley, you're cold. I can tell. So is Mommy. Put the shovel away, please, and obey. Let's go.